Hello friends. If you cook white rice regularly, Instant Pot is such a game changer. You will enjoy perfect fluffy rice every single time without monitoring. Simple, easy and absolutely foolproof for busy days. And what I love the most is multi-level cooking along with rice, like millets, quinoa, corn, eggs, sweet potato, etc. Also, delay timer is such an awesome option. Let's get started. First thing, white rice is not just one type. There are many varieties such as jasmine, long grain, short grain rice, etc. And each variety needs different water ratio and cooking time based on grain length, starch content, hull, and how it's processed. So don't get confused. This is for common white rice, Sona Masoori. Second thing, for fluffy texture, always use aged rice, ideally at least 3 months old. Freshly harvested rice contains more surface starch and turns sticky. Let's see the process. Take 2 cups of Sona Masoori rice. Wash 1 to 2 times. Water ratio is much important. For Sona Masoori rice, 1:2 water works the best. So add 4 cups of water. No need to soak the rice. You can cook rice in two ways, either pot in pot or direct way. For pot in pot, add 1 cup water in inner pot. Place the trivet. Then keep rice ball in inner pot. Best part with pot in pot is rice never sticks to bottom and pot is always clean, so it's ready for next use. Try to avoid Pyrex glass bowls for pot in pot. Rice doesn't cook properly, gets undercooked mostly. As you know, steel bowls are best for pot in pot. For direct way, we will cook rice directly in inner pot. Add rice in inner pot. Wash 1 to 2 times. If you notice, direct way is best for large batch. Pot won't be ready for next use immediately. Add 1:2 water, same as pot in pot. Place inner pot. As like pot in pot, you can cook multiple dishes by placing trivet on top of rice. Next, let's see Instant Pot settings. Settings are same for both methods. Close the Instant Pot lid and set the valve to ceiling. As it's pressure cooking, sealing is mandatory. Set pressure cook high for 5 minutes or 3 minutes for faster way. You can as well set default rice mode, which uses pressure cook low for around 12 minutes, or you can use pressure cook low at least 7 minutes. As you see, different pressure levels and timers work the same way for rice because cooking starts before the timer and pressure level needs enough water. Thus, total heat, moisture, natural release is the key. Another key thing is keep warm is optional for pot in pot, but not recommended for direct way. Inner pot sits directly on heating base. Continued heat causes harder bottom layer as it's hard steel. Once the timer ends, always wait for natural pressure release, which takes around 10 minutes. As you see, rice cooks so perfect and fluffy in both the ways. Always cover rice with lid to avoid drying top layer. I prefer pot in pot cooking for white rice. You can choose as per your needs. Hope you find my tips useful and enjoy making white rice easily in Instant Pot. See you again with many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.